Hey YouTube, Kim Brzezlik here. My latest project is at least halfway completed. This is the carriage slide adjustment. We discussed how inadequate that was. If the carriage bolts were more than finger tight, you couldn't move the carriage slide. So we mimicked these mounting holes and threaded these ball bearing holes with 1/4 28. Got set screws behind them. So we'll have lateral adjustment as well as height. And should be able to tune that thing right in. My plan is to get it all adjusted with some lower strength Loctite and see how that works. Tools that I used, I got my 1/4 inch center drill. Actually gave me a perfect seat, perfect bed for the ball bearings. And then we drilled all the way through with the number 3 drill, tapped it 1/4 28. This was a 9/32 for the through hole for the bolting that part to the carriage. I'll need to get some longer socket head screws for mounting. The front is going to be a little bit different situation, I think. I may have to go with a little thinner stock, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Please like and subscribe. Tell a buddy. Bring a friend.